Hello everyone, so my name is Angel Bantilan. So today we will be discussing a problem. So let's go. The code defines a function check number that takes a single argument num. The function uses an if, else statement to determine whether the number is positive, zero, or negative. If num checks if the number is greater than 0. If true, it prints positive number. Elif num checks if the number is equal to 0. If true, it prints 0. Else, if the number is neither positive nor 0, it prints negative number. The function is then called 3 times when different arguments 5, 0, and negative 5. Check number function is a good example of how to use conditional statements to handle different cases.